Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to edit your playlist name on SoundCloud account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your SoundCloud account on a web browser. If you're doing this on your mobile device, make sure to open up a web browser there as well and log into SoundCloud.com account. Once you're inside your home page of SoundCloud, go to the upper right and click on your user drop-down. From the pop-up menu, select Playlists. All of your playlists that you've created will be displayed on this page. Go ahead and select any playlist you'd like to change or edit your name on. In my case, I'm going to click on this playlist over here. Now, click the edit button right under your playlist and at the very top where it says title, you can now enter a new name for your particular playlist. Once you type in your name, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, as you can see that I've successfully changed my playlist name in just a simple steps. That is how you can easily change your playlist name or edit your playlist name on SoundCloud. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.